Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make French toast the Rock's only way. To begin, gather your ingredients for this epic breakfast. You'll need a loaf of brioche bread, 2 large eggs, 3/4 cup of milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Don't forget 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. For the signature toppings, have 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of smooth peanut butter, and 1 tablespoon of coconut cream ready. Now, let's create the rich custard that makes this French toast so special. In a large bowl, whisk 2 large eggs until they are thoroughly combined. Next, slowly pour in 3/4 cup of whole milk, mixing continuously. Add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and half a teaspoon of fragrant ground cinnamon. Finally, stir in 1 tablespoon of brown sugar until it completely dissolves, ensuring a smooth and flavorful batter. For that authentic, rock experience, slice your brioche bread into impressive 4-inch thick pieces. Carefully submerge each thick slice into your prepared custard, allowing it to soak for at least 4 minutes on each side to absorb all that delicious flavor. Next, melt 1 tablespoon of butter in a large skillet over medium heat. Cook each side until it's beautifully golden brown, about 3 minutes per side. For thick slices, finish baking in a 350° Fahrenheit oven for 10 minutes. The final touch is the legendary topping. In a small saucepan, gently warm 2 tablespoons of pure maple syrup. Stir in 1 tablespoon of creamy peanut butter until it melts and combines smoothly. Then, add 1 tablespoon of rich coconut cream, mixing until the sauce is perfectly blended. Drizzle this decadent peanut butter coconut syrup generously over your hot French toast. Finish with a dollop of fresh whipped cream and a sprinkle of toasted coconut flakes for an unforgettable treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.